Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to assemble your tipping rail, step by step. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need. Your kit should include posts, with or without flanges depending on your purchase preference, set screws, mounting screws, grub screws, an Allen key, and metal tubes. Start by connecting the tubes and posts with flanges according to your layout. Lightly insert the grub screws into the flanges, just enough to hold the frame together. Set the assembly aside for now. Next, use masking tape to cover the area where the posts will sit. Place the frame back on the surface and mark the screw hole positions on the tape with a pencil. Drill holes at each marked spot, being careful not to drill all the way through the shelf. Remove the tape. Now, place the assembled frame back in position and secure it using the provided set screws. Follow the same initial steps as before. Connect the tubes according to your layout. Mark the center points for the mounting posts on the masking tape using a pencil. Drill holes at the marked spots, again taking care not to drill through the shelf. Remove the tape. Position the mounting posts over the drilled holes and tighten them with the set screws. Then, place the assembled frame onto the mounting posts. Finally, insert and tighten the grub screws to lock everything securely in place. That's it. Your tipping rail is now fully assembled and ready to use. A few quick steps and your setup is complete.